Hey there, Becca here from Inside the Square. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use a little bit of custom CSS to reveal the product info on a hover in your Squarespace 7.1 store. That's right, we're going to hide the title and the price, so when you hover over that image for the product, that information will be displayed. This will not change the hover effect, like showing a second image on a hover as well. This is just going to be a cool way to display the actual information, again, the product name and the price, when you hover over that specific image in your online store. Sounds awesome, right? Now, as always, codes are listed below, but there are a couple of things you're going to want to change in this code to make it look perfect on your own website. So let's hop into my demo site and I'll show you exactly how this works. So here we are in my demo site. I have just a basic store. This is the code that we're going to use today. But underneath here, you'll see I just have some standard products. We're getting that second image reveal when I hover over it. I've got title, all of that fun stuff. Let's change that with some custom code. I'm going to navigate to design and then scroll all the way down to custom CSS at the bottom. So I'm just going to press Control V on my keyboard and check it out. It looks like they completely went away until we hover over the item. Now we can see the title and the price at the bottom there. I also gave it a color and a background color, and I'll show you exactly how to change that. Now this first part of the code where it says Z index 0, leave that part of the code alone, okay? That's gonna make sure your image stays behind the content for the product label and the price and all that fun stuff. So after that, we've got another Z index. Again, don't touch it. This puts the metadata on top of the image, okay? Now we have the option to adjust the margin top. That's how I pulled it up above the image. You can make that -15, let's say -150 px. How about that? And check it out. That pulls the title up almost to the middle of my image there. You can make it -15 rem if you want to. Any length value you want to use, positive or negative, negative is what's gonna pull it up above the image. If I make that a positive value and hover over it, it's gonna push it way down below, not what we're going for. So I definitely recommend using a negative value. -5 is what I use for my own site design here, but play around with that number yourself. Now after that, I have text align center. That was just my aesthetic choice. I can completely remove that line if you want it to stay aligned to the left, or you can change it to right, totally up to you. After that, I added an RGBA background there. Just enter the number there, hex color code, RGBA, web save color, whatever you want to go with. And then after that, I've added visibility hidden. That part's important. That keeps it hidden until we hover over it. Now after that, we also have the color here. You'll see it's that unique teal. That's this color right here. You can change that again to any hex color code, RGBA, web save, whatever you want to roll with. There we go. That's changed the font color, so now it's a solid white font on top of a black box above the image. Again, this will change the background that's shown behind that metadata. This here is going to change the color of that metadata. And then this last line says visibility visible. This is what makes it show up on a hover, so leave that line alone, okay? Again, adjust this color, adjust this background color, change the text alignment, and feel free to adjust this margin top value, trying to keep it a negative value so it's pulled up above the image. Adjust that to any length value you want to see. Alrighty, that's it for this tutorial. As always, the codes are listed below, so you can copy and paste those into your own site and adjust the length value for that margin top, adjust the text alignment, the background color, and the font color to any style that you want to see on your own website. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something awesome, and most importantly, have fun with your Squarespace website. Bye for now. If you liked this tutorial, you'll love my CSS cheat sheet. I created a PDF for Squarespacers that's packed with pro tips, code names, and style snippets specifically for Squarespace. Get the codes you need to make your site look incredible at insidethesquare.co/CSS. That's insidethesquare.co/CSS.